the intensification of mass digital surveillance in Egypt, and a series of dystopian productions that have come out of the country. I'm really excited to introduce our panel of activists and academics working in the realm of digital security and privacy. I'll let them explain their work, but I'll start with some quick introductions. First, we have David Huerta, who's a digital security fellow at the Freedom of the Press Foundation, where he's working on methods to train journalists to take advantage of privacy-enhancing technology to empower a free press. He's also a co-organizer with Crypto Party NYC and has helped organize trainings across the United States. Matthew Mitchell is a hacker, security researcher, operational security trainer, and data journalist who founded and leads Crypto Harlem, impromptu workshops teaching basic cryptography tools to the predominantly African-American community in Upper Manhattan. As an independent trainer for global journalist security, he trains journalists in digital safety and security. His personal work focused on marginalized, aggressively monitored, over-policed populations in the United States. We also have Rory Murr, Gray Cohen, and Sam DeBella from the CyPer Collective. The CyPer Collective hosts workshops for activists, journalists, and anyone interested in learning more about practical tools people can use for digital privacy and security. James Grimmelman is a professor of law at Cornell Tech and Cornell Law School. His academic work focuses on how laws regulating software affect freedom, wealth, and power. He sees his work as assisting lawyers and technologists in understanding one another by writing about issues that overlap between the two fields. He has written numerous briefs, articles, and papers on digital copyright, search engines, privacy on social networks, online governance, and other topics in computer and internet law. Finn Brunton is an assistant professor in NYU Steinhardt's Department of Media, Culture, and Communication. He focuses on the adoption, adaptation, modification, and misuse of digital media and hardware, privacy, information security and encryption, network subcultures, hardware literacy, and obsolete and experimental media platforms. He has published Spam, A Shadow History of the Internet, and co-authored, along with Helen Nissenbaum, Obfuscation, A User's Guide for Privacy and Protest. All right, let's start with David.
Hey everyone. Oh, that's cool. Nice and perfect. So I'm David. I don't really have a